Okay, in this tutorial, I will show you how to create the executable jar, then exe and msi files using JPackage from beginning to end. So this is IntelliJ 2021.3. So we are going to create JavaFX project using Oracle JDK 17.0.1. Next, I will not use any dependencies. Finish. Okay, don't show tips. Close it. Okay, I will close it too. So let's have a look. This is IntelliJ IDE 2021.3 Community Edition. So by default, this project will be built with Maven. It means we are doing modular programming. Okay, there's nothing much to change. Okay, so just wait for a while. It's doing indexing with JDK 17 and resolving some dependencies. Basically, it's downloading necessary files using Maven. Okay, seems okay now. Let me close it again. So now we are going to go to settings, then look for languages and framework. JavaFX. We are going to add SimBuilder. SimBuilder 17 is on the C drive users, your username, and then hidden folder called app data. So let's turn it on. Apply OK. Look for app data. Local. Folder name is SimBuilder. Okay, let's copy this path. Okay, we are going to use simbuilder.exe. Paste it. Then when you open it, it will direct to that folder. Then we can select simbuilder.exe. I find this way is easier to locate SimBuilder. Apply OK. So let's open XML file in SimBuilder as a simple demonstration. So let me make a minor change to fxml documents. So if you look at here, V box looks quite small. So let me adjust the size. Preferred width and height, I will change to 600 by 400 pixels. Okay, for button, I will change the text to be JavaFX Hello World. Let's save and return to IntelliJ. Build project. Then you can run it. Edit configuration, add new configuration, application. You can name as a app JDK 17. Main class is Hello Application. Apply, run it. Okay, this is the one click. Welcome to JavaFX application. So this is how you can create a simple JavaFX application using SimBuilder 17. Next step, I'm going to remove module info Java. for non-modular programming using refactor delete. Once you delete, go to project structure. We are not using Maven, so let's remove it all. We can add the JavaFX jar by ourselves. In my case, it's on the program files, JavaFX SDK 17.0.1 point to library directory. Okay. Just making sure you point to library. Apply. Okay. Now your project can use external JavaFX library. Let's build. Okay, it works. Let's try to run it. Okay, JavaFX runtime components are missing. So we need to use VM options when you run this project. Let's go to edit configuration. Okay, add new application. Let me name it as app. Here main class. Hello application same. Okay. Modify options. Look for add VM options. So we're going to type module path to JavaFX SDK library. You can copy paste path to JavaFX library. Copy. Paste this in double quotation. Then add modules. We're going to use only two modules, JavaFX controls and then JavaFX fxml. Apply. Okay. Let's try to run it again. Okay, as you can see, we are using Java and then with additional module paths to JavaFX controls and fxml. So here is the one. So we can do non-modular programming. Okay, now next step, let's create executable jar or runnable jar. Let's create a new class called app. Then we can call for main method belongs to hello application class. Arguments. That's it. This is what we are going to use for executable jar. Okay, we are calling for this main methods. Project structure, artifacts. Okay, add jar from module with dependencies. Just making sure main class this time you select app. Okay. Now we are going to use file. Under binary, we are going to select all DLL files. Apply. Okay. And then let's build artifacts. By default, it's going to create folder called out. Then there will be a jar file under project name. So there will be a project name. Open in Windows Explorer. Inside, you have JavaFX hello world.jar. You can double click. Here you go. Now this is how you can create the executable jar file. Then you can distribute it with Java runtime environment. To produce exe.msi, we need to have Node.js for JavaFX and then Wix toolset. You can go to Colon's website. It comes with JavaFX SDK. Windows, x64. So here is the JMods. That's the native libraries and then packages of JavaFX. You need JMods to produce exe or MSI file out of the JavaFX application. So installation is straightforward. You can unzip to your C drive. In my case, I'm going to keep it together with the program files Java. This is where I keep JavaFX SDK. So I'm going to keep the same JMods for JavaFX 17.0.1. So here you go. We need Wix toolset to produce native package in exe or MSI from self-contained Java application or JavaFX application using JPackage of JDK. So let's download. Installation is straightforward. If you go down here, I'm going to download Wix 311.exe. Run it. Installation might be a bit slow. Basically just copy everything to C drive, program files. Complete. Exit. You need to copy path of install directory. It's on the C drive, program files x86. Folder name is Wix toolset 311 binary. This is the path you need to copy so that you can set it as a system variable. Properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. On the advanced tab, we are looking at paths, edit. You can create a new and then paste it. Okay. Okay, let's continue with the previous example. We have a JavaFX hello world Java file here. Let's open it in terminal. Then we are going to use JPackage to produce self-contained Java applications that may include all necessary dependencies. So JavaPackage, we can use the type .exe and the input that refers to current directory. Then destination, where we like to save our application.exe current directory. And then main jar. On the current directory, we are looking at JavaFX hello world.jar. The main class happen to be JavaFX hello world.app. on the package. So you have to type the name of the package, com.example.javafx hello world, and then name of the class is app. Then we are going to use module path. This time we are going to use JavaFX JModes. That should be on the C drive. Okay, this is the one. Copy, paste it, then add modules. I'm going to use two of them, JavaFX controls and then JavaFX fxml. We can have a Windows shortcut on desktop. Also, we can add our application to Windows menu, Win menu. That's it. Enter. It will take for a while because we need to copy all those necessary files. So let me wait and see. Okay, once it's done, that prompt will change back to those prompts. Okay, here you go. You can click the directory. Then it will show you apps. Okay, app-1.0. File default, that's what we have. Opening Windows Explorer. Okay, on the same directory. Now we can double click to install. It will take for a while. It's going to copy everything to C drive, program files, and then we create the one directory called app. Then copy everything inside, include DLL, and then library of JavaFX, and then Java libraries you put it in the package as well. So please wait. Okay, seems like it's done. Let's go back. Here you go, app. Okay, launch the apps. Welcome to JavaFX application. Okay, seems like working. Let's look at program files. App. Here is the .exe. Runtime, this is what we included in project. And then app, here is the Java. Let's go back to settings, apps and features. We should be able to uninstall. So here you go, app 1.0, uninstall, uninstall, done. Next step, let's see whether we can create .msa file. Okay, I use the arrow key, move up, so that will bring it up the previous command line. Now we can change to MSI. To make some change, I will use another option. App version will be 2.0. Okay, so app-2.0.msi will appear. Okay, again, will take us for a while. Okay, let me just click. Now we have a app2.0.msi. Okay, this is how you can create a exe and MSF installer on Windows. Let's try to add our own icon. So let's use arrow key, go back to previous command line, and here we have an option called icon. Then name of the icon is icon.ico. You can convert image to icon file. There are many services available online for free. So name I will change to my app instead of app. So once it's done, it's going to create my app 2.0.msi. Okay, that's what we have. So if you want to see whether you have your own icon or not, you need to open, then install it. So my app 2.0.msi. Let's install it. So now we can see that my app is added to menu. Then here you go. Let's have a look. Okay, we have a new icon, my app, and the new application name as well. Show more options. Properties now is installed under my app folder. So this is a kind of minimum things you can customize it. Okay, we are going to use jlink-options with JPackage so that we can deploy our Java application with bundled with Java library so that you don't have to pre-install JDK on your target PC. So I just changed app version to be 2.1. JLink options, find services. Then it's going to usually take about 7 to 8 minutes. So please wait. Let me open it with Windows Explorer. As you can see, I have my app 2.1. 2.1. Look at the size. It's a 1.3 gigabytes. The previous one with the Java library is only 200,000. So let me send to my external drive. Then I will move to another PC. I just paste it on my desktop. As you can see, I don't have any JDK installed on this machine. Let me show you. This is okay, 64 bits. Windows 10 Pro. For demonstration. Let me install. This is JavaFX installer in MSI. Okay, I have an icon here. Double click. Okay, welcome to JavaFX application. So now we know how to deploy JavaFX application with the Java library. Okay, let me have a look. Windows Explorer, Program Files, under My App. Here you go, myapp.exe. Okay, so let's uninstall so that we can see uninstall also works or not. It's under My App. Uninstall so that it will remove from your desktop. Okay, icon is disappear. C drive program files. My app disappears as well. That's all. Thank you.